Akala ko yung nag-concert dun sa
Oo, part ng cast ng Provinciano. Yung role ba ni Angeline na pinalitan mo, it's a totally different role?
Yan si
Mother na lang.
Mother na lang kasi
Para mas, ano pa.
baka maka-hurt pa si Maha. Change joke
Para po, para mas maayos tayo. Yung role po na na-announce initially for Maha is a different role from what is now assigned to our lady, Maha Salvador. Tama ba?
Angeline.
For Angeline pala. I meant Angeline. Ayun. But to the followers also at sa mga nagmamahal ni Angge, totoo naman talaga na ang schedule ni Angge will also not permit her to commit to the Provinciano slot right away. But the good news is, in the future run of the series, naka-open ang Provinciano for that role of Angeline na pag lumuwag-luwag ang kanyang schedule ay at ma-accommodate niya pa rin na gawin, papasok siya. Ayoko na lang po muna mag-elaborate kung ano yung role or gano'n yung kahaba or whatever kasi kumbaga wala pa tayo doon, di ba? Nandito na tayo ngayon kay Maha. We are also proud of Angeline for a successful concert of the Araneta Coliseum weekend with Eric, and you know, things are falling into place for all of us.
completely a different role.
Yes.
Thank you much.
It's a different role.